These simple cute flowers you can make at home for your hair just by using crochet method. So let's begin. Let me show you how you can make these flowers. So twist the yarn or that thread around your finger like this, and then the back portion of the thread you'll pull it forward and pass it through the loop, and then you'll pull that head out and tighten that loop. That's it, and this is what you're going to work with. Now we are going to make 6 single crochet stitches with this. So this is my first one, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Now since this is a fine thread, a fine string, the flower will be thin, but if you take a proper yarn, the woolen one, it would be a thick flower. Now we are going to attach the two ends of this thread by doing a slip stitch. So first I'll pass my needle through the first bit that I had started with like this, and then simply all I will do is a slip stitch. Wind the yarn over the needle and pull it through both the loops. See, that's it. And then you'll have to hold on to that loop. Now we are going to perform 3 single crochets. So first, second, and this is my third. Thereafter I'm going to do 3 triple crochets. Wind it twice over the needle, go through the circle, pull off the yarn on the needle, then take the yarn, pull it through 2, again take it, pull it through 2, take it, pull it through 2. This action will be done 3 times once you perform the triple crochet. So 3 triple crochet stitches. Just go as per the video, follow the video. It's very easy. I have not put it on fast mode as yet, just to show you all how it works. And this is my third one. Once I am done with 3 triple crochets, I will then do 3 single crochets. 1, 2, 3. So I had done 3 triple crochets. The last bit I had not attached to the video because it will be too much. Then I will pass it through my ring and do a slip stitch. That's it. There my slip stitch is performed, and this is one petal of my flower. Now you can make a flower with 3 petals, 4 petals, or 5. 5 will be too much of a crowd, I feel. 3 to 4 looks really cute, especially if it's a smaller bit. Start with 3 single crochets. I'll show you again on a faster mode. Then we'll do 3 triple crochet stitches. So this is the first crochet stitch of mine. Okay, this is now the second one, second triple crochet stitch. Now remember that tiny string that is there, that was made on the start, just keep putting it inside so it will get sealed in your stitches. Now I am performing the third triple crochet. There. And now I will do 3 chain stitches, 3 single crochet stitches. I just showed you how many triple crochets are there, and then finally the slip stitch. And now I have 2 petals on that ring that I have. Now you can make 1 more or 2 more petals to fill this flower. I have made 4 petals in total, and this is how the flower looks. This string, as always, you will have to hide it within. So if you have a plastic needle, it becomes easier. However, here I am just using the crochet needle and I'm going to pull this thread through inner side of the stitches. See that it is not visible, else it will spoil the look of the flower that you made. Remember, you do not need to pull the full thread through. You can just pull a little bit and then just cut off the extra, like I have done here. And that's it. Once you have your flowers ready, you can just add a bobby pin to it and attach it to your hair. Now, usually if you have communions, or if you want to decorate the hair with a lot of flowers like a tiara type, you can use these flowers in different colors. Or say for wedding, for a flower girl, you need to add these flowers. This is how you can make them and attach them to the hair. Even on the hair bun, it will look really beautiful. So friends, if you all like this video, please do share it with others. Do let me know in the comments how did you all find it. And for more of such interesting videos, do not forget to subscribe to Tip Lab. Bye.